Alright, my friends, so before we get started learning about React Native, I think it's not a good option to start immediately with React Native. There are few requirements that we want to first of all learn about them, then we can move to the React Native. Now this step, it is not required, but it's gonna make learning React Native much easier for you. Okay, so I highly encourage you to watch these two sections before you go ahead and learn about React Native. Alright, so the first one we want to learn about ECMAScript 6, which is or as you call it, JavaScript, the next generation of JavaScript. We want to learn about what is the new features of JavaScript that we can use inside React Native. Then we can learn about Flexbox. Since React Native support the style using Flexbox, then I'm gonna add a quick refresher about the Flexbox. Alright, so these two requirements, if you already know them, then feel free to move to the React Native sections. But if not, let's get started learning about these two requirements, which is Flexbox as well as ECMAScript 6. Now, in order for us to learn and practice our Flexbox as well as the next generation of JavaScript, we need to install few requirements, and I'm sure that most of you already have them installed. The first one is Visual Studio Code, which is a program that allow us write code, and another one, it is a web browser. The web browser will take the code that we have wrote inside the code editor and run it for us so we can test and see our result. So I'm gonna attach for you, I'm gonna leave for you two links attached to this lecture, so feel free to go ahead and download. If you do not have already these programs, download and install them. The installation process is straightforward. Just click on next, accept all the default settings, it will be okay for you. Then install these programs. Once you download and install them, see you in the next one.